All right, guys, check this out. We got the all-new Chevy Silverado EV. It's got a 400-mile range, 754 horsepower, 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds, which in today's day and age is a little underwhelming. 785 foot-pounds of torque, and it's got available four-wheel steering, which is just bananas. All right, guys, we are lucky enough to get a close-up look inside of the new EV Silverado. Look at this thing. Imagery in this is amazing. I gotta say the cluster is absolutely phenomenal looking. That is very, very cool. I'm a big fan of that. I really like the two-tone color on this interior. I guess it's a three-tone if you count the red, but the white and black with the red stitching. It's also got some blue stitching on it too in the center here, if you guys can see that. It's got a big open cubby hole right down here. Gigantic moonroof. That is awesome. You look closely, you can see some of the detail inside of the vent down here. That's pretty cool looking as well. I really like the cover over the speakers right here. That looks very, very nice. Nice Bose system. Let's take a look at the back here. Obviously your EV plug-in. Then you have your gigantic bed that folds down into the cab of the car as well. That is very, very cool. Definitely unique. I have not seen another car or truck that does anything like that, and if there is, leave it in the comments section below. But this thing is absolutely phenomenal looking. Holy cow, these wheels are gigantic. They look really nice. I like how they painted this, and it's not just plastic as far as the trim goes over the wheels. It's got a nice big step for you to get up into the truck. You gotta have the blue E there in the Silverado. That looks pretty sweet. And then they have the giant light that spans the whole front of the truck. Looks fantastic.